Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about three of my most favorite EV stocks that have great buy-in prices right now and that have very nice potentials to increase your money. We're going to be talking about this and more. Before we get down into and get started, give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos. I also do have promotions down below that you can get free stocks using Webull and Moomoo. Moomoo right now is running the best promotion. If you put in $100 or more, we'll grant you 2 free stocks. In addition to this, you can get an iPhone 13 Pro. So take advantage of this. If you put in $2,000 or more, you can get an additional 3 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. My viewers have received stocks from Tesla, Apple, and Amazon, so get your stocks while they last. Now, I did want to transition and talk to you about the downward pressure in the stock market, creating a very nice buy points for very 3 big important EV stocks, in my opinion. First of all, we will be talking about Tesla. Tesla has been making a lot of headlines with the big important crash that happened in Paris. The Tesla Model 3 did have a crash in Paris. It was one of their taxis, and it looks like Paris has been pulling those vehicles now from their taxi service. I do not think that there's anything wrong with Tesla, with the company, but as you know, there is a knee-jerk reaction when anything happens like this. So this is putting a little bit of a downward pressure on it. Also, we do have that volatility in the stock market because we do have the inflation concerns. We do have the concerns that the federal government will be increasing interest rates to counter the inflation, to bring down spending. Also, we do have that new variant for the coronavirus, the Omicron, which will be a very big stressful on the economy, on the environment, because they are thinking that if we do have another wave, this will be downward pressure for the economy. So definitely we do have a lot of bad news in the economy, which is putting a lot of downward pressure on stocks, especially EV stocks. Right now, Tesla stock is under $1,000. If you can get this stock under $1,000, you are getting an amazing deal, in my opinion, but always do your own due diligence, your own research. But remember, Tesla has a lot of very important things moving forward. They will be making very new products. The Tesla Cybertruck will be coming out next year in the year 2022. There have been many pre-orders, a huge demand on this vehicle. But in addition to this, they are also going to be coming out with a semi-truck, which will both be made in the Gigafactory in Texas, in Austin, Texas, which once this Gigafactory does get started, this will ramp up production of the Tesla models and increase its demand, which will be huge revenue for the company. I do suspect that this company is a great deal to get right now, under that $1,000. Don't forget also, they are my favorite charging stock as well, EV charging stock, because Tesla is opening up their chargers to non-Tesla owners, which will bring up about $25 billion in revenue alone just for that fact. So huge, big things, big news for Tesla Motors. The second one I did want to talk about is Lucid Motors. Lucid Group has had that great information that it is now being added to the NASDAQ 100. It is a huge benchmark that does have the best and most traded tech companies. That's huge tech companies. It will be joining Amazon. It will be joining Google, Microsoft, all these huge companies, which is a great benchmark for the company. And I definitely think that it will increase its volume once it gets added to that, which will be trading on December 20th, as Lucid Motors LCID will be added to that. So also very big news to come with Lucid Motors, as in the next year, in the year 2022, it has projections that it will be selling 20,000 of its Lucid Air vehicles. And so far, 17,000 of those are already pre-sold, are already pre-reserved. If you do an average of the cost, just to see how much stock this could be worth, how much revenue they could make. So far, if you look at the 17,000 reservations and you take an average cost of each vehicle being, let's say, $100,000, remember the Lucid Air starts at $77,000 but goes all the way up to $170,000. Let's just do a middle ground of $100,000. This will be a $1.7 billion revenue for this company just next year. I definitely think that they can hit this or more based on those 20,000 production vehicles, which will propel this company to do great things into the future. Right now, getting this stock under $40 is a steal of a deal. You're getting a great deal because of its potential in the next 12 months to be over $60 in its stock price. So one of the best stocks to get into right now. The last stock I am very bullish on is NIO. NIO has taken a huge hit in the past month because we are having the Chinese regulators, we are having the Chinese delisting of Didi, some of the Chinese companies that are going after. It is being felt in a lot of the Chinese stocks, such as Alibaba and also NIO. They are putting a lot of downward pressure on it. It is causing a lot of fear with investors that are selling the stock. This stock at one point did go below $30 in its stock price, but it has huge potentials. In the next 12 months, at least $55 or more, in my opinion. Right now, this is a steal of a deal. In my own opinion, I do not believe that NIO will be delisted. If it does become delisted, which I do not think that it will be in the next 2 to 3 years because they do need to give it time. But again, I do not think that this will happen. There is a lot of that downward pressure right now because it is a Chinese company and the Chinese regulators are going after it because of what happened with Evergrande. As you know, Evergrande has defaulted on $300 billion in loans, and this has put in a huge downward pressure on the Chinese stocks and the Chinese economy, which is definitely being felt with NIO. But the big things to look forward to for NIO is December 18th, just a couple days from now on Saturday, they will be having NIO Day. They will be announcing a new vehicle. It is rumored it will be the ET5, which will be its sedan. The ET7 is its premium luxury sedan that will be coming out next year in the year 2022. It is rumored that this will have the longest battery life and take that title away from Lucid Motors. If this is true, this will be huge increase for the stock, but most importantly, big for this company moving forward. So we'll definitely have to keep our ear to the ground, and I will let you know each and every play on this. But I do believe that these three stocks, Tesla, Lucid Motors, and NIO, are going to be great into the future, at least 12 months or more down the road. I do think that these are also very nice purchase prices right now. That is why I wanted to make this video. Also, I did want to mention that I am looking at technology whenever I do look at these companies. These three companies have great technology. Remember, Lucid Motors and Tesla are the only companies in the world that has the best efficiency, the technology to make the most efficient electric vehicle. Whenever we do look at NIO, they have the best technology because they have the only technology where you can swipe out the batteries. So you can actually go to a battery swap station, change out the battery in less than 3 seconds. You can either, one, get a free charging station, charge up battery. You can go from 0% to 100% in less than 3 minutes by switching out your batteries. Another advantage that NIO has is you can always change out your batteries and upgrade your battery or downgrade based on if you want to save money or if you need a longer range. And just as an example, let's say you have a 75 kilowatt battery and you wanted to upgrade to a 100 kilowatt battery, you can definitely do that without having to sell your car. You just go to the battery swap station, switch out your battery, and you have a brand new fresh battery that has a longer range. So definitely this is very nice. It is ingenious technology that only NIO has in the world, and I definitely think that it will be a big selling point. So also remember, NIO is going internationally. They just started with NIO Norway. They are doing very well there with their SUV, the ES8. Next year, they will be coming out with that sedan, the ET7, in NIO and Norway. And also, NIO is planning to go international to Germany and moving forward to other countries. So huge news for this company moving forward. But definitely, I hope you like this video, but there's a lot of great buying opportunities right now. If you learned something new, if you like this video, give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to take those advantage of those free promotions. I do have, Moomoo is running the best promotion right now. It is for U.S. residents only. If you open an account, deposit any amount of money, we'll grant you 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. If you deposit $100 or more, we'll give you a chance to win the iPhone 13 Pro as a Christmas special, as a Christmas bonus. But if you put in $2,000 or more, you get 3 additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500. For my U.S. and non-U.S. residents, you can use the link to Moomoo. Moomoo down below will give, if you are a non-U.S. resident or a U.S. resident, you can use my link to Webull. Webull down below will give you 5 free stocks, running a great promotion as well. So take advantage of those. But again, thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel. I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. Take care.